How to enable unknown sources on iPhone? Well, on iPhone you can't directly enable unknown sources like on an Android device. Instead, you allow untrusted shortcuts via the Shortcuts app to run custom scripts or trust individual developer apps in settings. So to do so, open up settings. Once you open up settings, head into general. Under general, what you want to do is you want to head into VPN here and device management option. And under it, what you can do is you can proceed to trust it. Once you have sideloaded them, you'll have to trust a particular app here. Now, in order to run the scripts, what you can do is you can open up settings and you can scroll down to the shortcuts app. So open up apps and under it find the shortcuts here and open up shortcuts app. Now here what you want to do is you'll see the allow untrusted shortcuts option. You can proceed to allow it. So you can see allow running scripts under advanced option here. Once on apps, you want to proceed to allow running scripts and then you can proceed to do so. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.